Hi. So I have another Temu haul. I opened it because I was such a klutz on, I think it was the last one, that you must have all been bored out of your heads watching me. So I'm just going to pull everything out. Not sure if there's diamond paintings in here, and I don't know how many orders are in here, but we're going to go for it. So I guess that's personal, and that's personal. So I ordered these. I ordered 3 of them because they're for storage and I got a beach. Oh, that's really small. I just got a bag that I thought I could take to the beach and just put I guess it's good enough for sunscreen and lotion and my cell phone, whatever you need when you're sitting at the beach. So I thought it was a little bit bigger, but it's not. I actually thought it was double this size, but I guess it's a good size. I can fit lots of things in there, and it's mesh, so if I put something in it that's full of sand, then it's not going to matter. It can just shake out when it dries. And it looks like, yeah, there's a cell phone pocket in there, so that's it. Okay, so I guess that's for the bathtub. It's just a thing to rub your feet on, so it's all squishy down. Hopefully it'll stand back up. Anyway, so that's it. This is going to be a really short video. So I bought these for storing drills in, so that, you know, sometimes you might just want to order a blank canvas and just do something. So you want to save up the drills that are left. And these are, ooh, that's a nice snap. These are, well, these are the labels that go on them, but I've got like 5 million of those. These are little TikTok, put that down, that way. These are little TikTok containers, so they just fill up like that. And when you're, oh, I'm so bad with this camera, so it just flips up here. But when you want to take it out, fill it up, I mean, you can just push up on that. But what I usually do is open it and pull it that way. It makes it so much easier. So I think there's 64 of these. And 64 times 3. I think they were $3 and change. But they're nice and small, and I can stack them, and I can shove them under a piece of furniture, or, you know, whatever. You can put them in a basket, I guess. I've got tons of baskets I could just put them in. I also have one other that's exactly the same size, which is why I bought these, because they're exactly the same size. Anyway, short video. At least I'll get something out to you. Have a great day. Have a happy Saturday. It's Saturday here. I completely forgot yesterday was even St. Patrick's Day. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye now. Oh, and please click like if you choose, if you want to. Bye-bye now.